Hello, my friends. Good morning. Hope you are doing good and having a great health. So, today, my friends, we will be discussing a topic which is called as query formula. This is a very important function. So, our topic of discussion is query formula. So, what it does, my friends? So, query formula is a very powerful function like SQL. It is help it is help and used to do lots of activities. So what it does, it can filter, it can sort, it can group, and it can do all activities as we do in SQL. So slowly we will learn SQL as well in my later sessions. So how do we use the query formula? And you should also remember, my friends, there are lots of clauses. Clauses, or you can say as conditions. So what are the different clauses in query language? We have select statement, then comes where. So this has to be in order, my friends. Then we have group by, then we have pivot, then we have order by, and then we have limit, we have label. So this is how we can use, different clauses. So what select statements done? Select statement, choose columns. What is the where statement? Where can apply any conditions, any operators? What we group by does, group by sorts by similar data. Then we can have pivot. We can create, we have also created some pivot charts previously, so we can do the same thing here. So order by can sort data, limit, we can use limit to restrict number of rows, maybe by top 5 or top 10, and label, we can rename the header. So my friends, what we will quickly you do now, I will quickly show you how we can use the query formula. So you can see here I have this my test data. This is a dummy test data, my friends, which tells the employee name, the building name, the status, whether they are full time on contract, the hire date, the salary, and the rating. This is the dummy data prepared by me, my friends. So let's understand the syntax for the query. So let's hit it, man. Hit it. So you see here. Now we have the data. The data means the source from where you are pulling the informations. It could be a database, it could be Excel, it could be Google Sheet, it could be anywhere. It is simple test data. So this is my data. So we will hit a comma and see do you mean by query. Query means what action we want to perform with my terms and conditions, with my permutation and combinations. So let's try. So I want to select everything. So I'll just put select star and a comma, and headers means how many number of headers are there in my test data. So I have only one header. I will close it and I will hit enter. You see, my friends, how it works. I have all the data populated here. See, I have all the data populated here. So this is how, my friends, the query formula works, and it is a wonderful function. You can use it and you can create, you can use it, you can use in all your, making your pivot charts and lot of formula means many for one, I would say, many for one. So please try this formula. If you have any questions, then you can, write me your feedback, and we will have more discussions on this. And I will come up with some more sessions on this query formula. And subscribe my channel, and even ask your friends to subscribe my channel. It's an absolutely free knowledge sharing sessions. Let's grow and explore in the data science world. Take care, my friends. Have a great day and have a great health. Bye bye. Good day.